Ndugamano gatagati ka thirikari na urugamiriri wa university ya KU ndiguthiraga yatira. Umuthi uyu university no ekioneka kugatha icoka ikionania kwaga itanya o riothe ria kuneana mugunda uyu uria wendekithitio gwakwo thibitari wa motungata ma hinahi undumwe na cikaro nene cia ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri thiini wa thi rwa WHO. Ndumiriri-ini rierekereirio ni kanju ya university no yugite kanju ino ndigwitikiria itanya o riothe ria kugaya gicunji kingi kia mugunda kuna kia mbere kiagairwo hindi ya waki wa university ya KU rifaro kuria ningi kanju ino yugite ndiri na uira ya kana ndudu ya maminista ni ahitukiria undu uyu.
The council shall not charge or dispose of immovable property of the university except in accordance with the procedures laid down by the government of Kenya.
Ningi ndumiriri ino iria ikiritwo thairi ni muikariri giti wa kanju ino Professor Shem Thola yugite ndingitikira kugaya mugunda uyu undu uyu tahitukitio ni bunge ta uria kwagiriire kiwatho.
Council has actually resisted ceding KU land. The land that KU has is already planned for.
Murugamo wa university no koneka kumenererio na njira nene ni thirikari. Umuthio minister wa githomo Professor George Magoha akigweta itua ria kanju ino ta wagarari wa watho riu akiuga thirikari iri na wiathi wa kuhuthira mugunda uyu ori ngiendekithia.
The government may decide that this school, the site is very good for a nuclear facility. Once it passes through the cabinet, who do you think you are that you are going to say you are not going to follow? It doesn't belong to you.
Magoha ni rotete rugamiriri wa university no akiuga ndori na itumi njiganu cia kugiria waki uyu riu akiuga gutire mundu na uriku uri na kihoti gia kurugamia waki uyu.
Serikali ni serikali, and it is by law established, so all land belongs to the government, and when they decide to use it for another purpose, there's a manner in which it is taken.
Ndugamano ni ikoneka gukorwo yakiriirio ni mieri ya mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta muthi wa Jumamothi uria wehitire gutigirira waki uyu ni wathie na mbere gutekumakanio ria rugamiriri wa university no waugaga
hii ni shamba ya Wakenya, and what this facility is going to do to help us improve healthcare not just in Kenya. Lakini bado nimebaki wiki tatu. We shall deal with those individuals swiftly and effectively.
Hindi ya kuruguria waki wa thibitari uyu uria utanyitwo gwakwo mugunda-ini wa eka 30, President Kenyatta ni arutire mukana kuri rugamiriri wa KU kuria moririe kwaga gutuika muhinga wa uthii wa na mbere.
Unaona kama ni mali yako, sio yako, ni ya umma. Na mali ya umma you're just a caretaker.
Muthenya wa ira munini wa chancellor thukuru-ini uyu Professor Paul Wainaina ni aratigire wira kumana na kiria araugire ni guthingiririo ni ngathi cia iguru thirikari-ini.
Probably this is the last time I'll be talking to you as a BC.
When government pronounces itself in a manner that you feel is repugnant to you as a person, the most honorable thing is to walk away.
Professor Wainaina ni atariria ati amukirite marua maita matatu kuma kuri munene wa wandikani wa muingi Joseph Kenywa kuria thirikari ya mwathite akorwa neanite title deed cia thukuru uyu kuri ministry ya migunda gukinyiria mwambiririo wa kiumia giki undu ria taigana gwika. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ritwe rako ni Bataru wa Mwagi.